I'll show you how to download all URLs from a particular web page. So first of all, you need to install a Chrome extension called Link Grabber. I'll provide a link in the description of this video. And also you can find it in Chrome Web Store search. Just type Link Grabber and here's the extension. You need to add it to your Chrome. So it's added and you need to activate it. You can do it according to the instruction. So it's activated. We can close this page and now we can open any page from which we want to download the URLs. For example, if I want to search for a car and I want to download all URLs from this particular page, I can do it in two ways. First of all, I can use a context menu and use this button, or I can use this button, download links. I just tap it and you can open this file and you can see all the links from this particular page. That's it.